Meet the GVSR-PB Safety PX5 Powered Air Purifying Respirator, the core of your respiratory protection system. The PX5 can be worn on a belt or backpack, depending on your movement, job site needs, and configuration. It pairs seamlessly with the Z4, Z-Link, and Z-Link Plus, creating a complete respiratory protection system. The GVSR-PB Safety Z4 is ideal for welding and grinding, combining a flip-up welding visor with comfortable respiratory, eye and face protection. The GVSR-PB Safety Z-Link is your go-to for grinding, painting, and general industry tasks, offering a large visor for clear vision and full face protection. The GVSR-PB Safety Z-Link Plus adds a flame-retardant head top, perfect for demanding environments like welding and fabrication. And with GVSR-PB Safety's integrated communication systems, you stay connected without ever removing your gear. GVSR-PB Safety PX5, built for safety, designed for performance.